Now we are looking at the third set of questions where you're supposed to provide the value of k, this k, which is part of the whole polynomial, and you have a given information that the x plus 1 here is a factor of that same polynomial f of x. So we have a hint that x plus 1 is a factor of the whole polynomial. That means if I will divide it with this x plus 1, then I will get a 0 as a remainder. Or if I will go by the synthetic division, that will also be resulting at the end as a 0. So we will use that same fact to find the value of k. It's going to be an easy thing. I will start setting it up again. So the coefficients of 2, -3, and there is a trick here, you see. It should have been in the standard form. It is arranged in a diminishing exponents, like from 3, it comes up with a 1 and a constant. What's missing? We are missing one term over here, which is a 0x square. So I do need to bring that 0 for the x square term. Like this term is supposed to be at the place of x3, then I should have an x square coefficient, an x coefficient, and then the k as a constant coefficient, as a constant over there. But the polynomial didn't have an x square term, so we must put the 0 for that specific one. It's a good example to be good in synthetic division also. Then 3 is negative, and then k is the constant that we will bring up here. Now x plus 1, this tells me that I need to bring here a -1, because when I will equate it to 0, a root is -1. Now here, the same process, nothing different. We will go by the same cycle. 2 is dropped down. Then I will multiply it here, bring it over here. That gives me a -2. Again, drop it down. Whatever is the result of these two, -2. Keep on repeating the cycle again. Multiply it with this one. That gives me what? -2 times -1 is a 2. And that leaves me with -1 here, -1. That means I need to take it again, multiply the same things and bring it over there, and we are almost done. -1 times -1 is a 1 over here. Now we have a fact which is already given to us. The fact given to us is that the given x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. So that tells me I must have a 0 over here. If it's a 0, then because we are every single time when I'm saying drop it down, whatever signs are there, we are using those. Here, we can figure out that k plus 1 is a 0. That gives me simply the value of k, which is a -1, because if I'm subtracting on both sides a -1, that gives me k equals -1. That's our result. That's what you wanted to do.